response web design. Here is a menu, home, product, contact. Now 2 columns, product in 2 columns. And now in 1 columns, and here is a hamburger. And menu is here now. After click on hamburger, we see a menu. Here is a CSS responsive for tablets, max width 900 pixels. Grid template columns would be repeat to 1 fraction. It means 2 columns, every columns with 1 fraction. 1 fraction is part of 2 equal part in this situation. Repeat, 2 columns, 2 equal part. Every part is fraction. Down, media query. Here is a max width 650 for fonts. Template columns is 1 fraction. It is 1 columns. And down, you go down, would be interesting for you how toggle hamburger and menu in horizontal menu bar and the menu after click on hamburger. Okay, you scroll slowly, and here is a complete HTML of our home page that you can see. Here is hamburger, that you can see how toggle switch coded. Okay, it is you stop where you want. It is HTML. Okay, it's media queries is play important role in responsive web design. Thank you for watching this video.